Hi everyone. Today let us discuss the social assignment dated 17/6/2020 of class 10th based on geography lesson 6 manufacturing industry. Today also we have paragraph based questions. 3 paragraphs are given. First paragraph is based on aluminium smelting. Second paragraph is based on chemical industries. Third paragraph is based on fertilizer industries. And fourth paragraph is based on cement industry. These are from page number 72 and 73 of geography textbook. These 10 questions have to be answered in 1 or 2 sentences each. Question number 1. Name the core raw material of cement industry. Name the core raw material of cement industry, which is the most essential raw material for cement industry. Answer is limestone and gypsum. Limestone and gypsum. Let us go to question number 2. Where was the first cement plant established in 1904? Where was the first cement plant established in 1904? Answer is Chennai. Question number 3. When was the fertilizer industry expanded significantly? When was the fertilizer industry expanded significantly? After Green Revolution. Answer is after Green Revolution. Let us discuss question number 4. Name any 2 states where aluminium smelting plants are located. Name any 2 states where aluminium smelting plants are located. Answer is Odisha and West Bengal. Question number 5. The inorganic chemical is used for making of glass, soaps, detergents and paper is. Which is the inorganic chemical used for making of glass, soaps, detergents and paper? Answer is soda ash. Question number 6. Which of the following industry is the largest consumer of chemicals? Which of the following industry is the largest consumer of chemicals? There are 4 options given. Option A, fertilizers. Option B, textiles. Option C, chemicals. And option D, paper. Answer is chemicals. So C option, that is chemicals. We know that chemical industry itself is its own largest consumer. Question number 7. Dash is the raw material used in smelters in bulk quantity. The raw material used in smelters in bulky quantity is. Answer is bauxite. Question number 8. How many tons of bauxite is equal to 2 tons of alumina? How many tons of bauxite is equal to 2 tons of alumina? We know that bauxite is a clay-like substance from which alumina is obtained, and from alumina we get aluminium. So, how many tons of bauxite is equal to 2 tons of alumina? Answer is 4 to 6 tons. Question number 9. What is essential for the construction of building houses, factories, bridges, roads, etc.? What is essential for the construction of building houses, factories, bridges, roads, etc.? Answer is cement. Next question is based on map pointing. Mark the jute producing areas of India. We have forced 5 states to be marked. The major jute producing states of India. First one is Bihar, the red marked Bihar. Next one is West Bengal. West Bengal is the second one. Third one is the green marked Odisha. Fourth one is the yellow marked here Assam. And fifth one is the green mark over here, that is Meghalaya. These are the 5 major jute producing states of India. Verify all your answers. Thank you very much.